If you want to make audio sound muffled in Premiere Pro, like it's coming from behind a wall, through a door, or even underwater, the key is to remove the high frequencies and leave more of the low frequencies behind. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to do it using the low-pass filter in Premiere Pro. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Premiere Pro and select the audio clip that you want to make sound muffled. This could be dialogue, ambient sound, sound effects, or any kind of audio that needs that filtered, distant effect. Once you found the clip, go to the Effects panel. If you don't see it on screen, you can open it from the Window menu and make sure Effects is enabled. Now, in the search bar, type Low Pass. You should see the Low Pass filter appear in the results. This is the effect that will help create that muffled sound by cutting out the brighter, sharper high-end frequencies and leaving the low end more intact. Next, drag and drop the low-pass effect directly onto your audio clip. As soon as you apply it, Premiere Pro will add the effect to that clip, and now you can start shaping the sound in the Effect Controls panel. Go to Effect Controls, then look for the low-pass settings. The main setting you want to focus on is Cutoff. This is the frequency point where Premiere starts reducing the higher frequencies. The lower you set this number, the more muffled the audio becomes. For a subtle muffled effect, you can start around 1500 Hz or 1200 Hz. If you want the audio to sound much more hidden, distant, or blocked off, try dropping it closer to 1000 Hz. And for a very heavy muffled effect, you can go even lower, around 500 Hz. The exact number depends on the sound you're working with, so it's always a good idea to listen back and adjust until it sounds right. As you lower the cutoff, you'll notice the audio losing clarity and brightness. That's exactly what you want if you're trying to make it sound like the source is behind something. If it starts sounding too dull or unnatural, bring the cutoff up slightly until you find the sweet spot. This method is great because it's quick, clean, and easy to control. You don't need complicated audio processing or extra plugins. Just apply the low-pass filter, lower the cutoff, and instantly get that muffled effect. If you want to make the effect even more realistic, you can combine it with a small volume reduction, so the sound feels not only filtered but also farther away. That can help sell the idea that the audio is coming from another room or through an obstacle. So to quickly recap, open the Effects panel, search for Low Pass, drag it onto your audio clip, then lower the cutoff frequency in Effect Controls until the sound has that muffled tone you want. It's one of the simplest audio tricks in Premiere Pro, and once you know it, you can use it in so many editing situations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Premiere Pro tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.